Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add work to Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application, and right here we have places, so you need to only click at the work. It asks me right now to add it, so let's click on it. Write your work address, let's say this one. Then at the top in the label you can change the name. Right here we can change the type, but I guess we need my work, not school or something else. And then click at the check mark. Okay, but how to add new work? If you we click at the work right here, if you have already a work, you need to only unpin it, and then click again at this icon and write new address, let's say this one, and then click at the check mark, and we have new work. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.